So if you got any machine that's got air conditioner and radiator fins, take these handy dandy blowers and blow them things out, clean that dust and junk out of there. It'll reward you. Your air conditioner will work better most times. If your air conditioner's not working, that's one of the first things you look at, is get those fins cleaned out and clean that condenser off, and cleaning them radiators out, especially when it gets hot and dusty. I bought this blower for my excavator that was overheating when it gets hot, and it wasn't even real hot, but this thing moves enough volume out of these backpack blowers, leaf blowers they call them, but it'll help clean them radiator fins out. Water will just make mud, and you can use an air compressor, but you really need a lot of volume to clean them out well. So if you do that, it'll help you out taking care of your equipment and helping pre-clean it to get the dust and junk out of there before you pressure wash it as well. Have a fine day.